Hello guys, this video is about to kitchen important vocabulary. First step in learning English, kitchen. Fork. This is a fork. This is a fork. What is this? What is this? This is a fork. This is a fork. Knife. This is a knife. This is a knife. What is this? What is this? This is a knife. This is a knife. Spoon. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. What is this? What is this? This is a spoon. This is a spoon. Microwave. This is a microwave. This is a microwave. What is this? What is this? This is a microwave. This is a microwave. Dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. What is this? What is this? This is a dishwasher. This is a dishwasher. Teapot. This is a teapot. This is a teapot. What is this? What is this? This is a teapot. This is a teapot. Cooker. This is a cooker. This is a cooker. What is this? What is this? This is a cooker. This is a cooker. Plate. This is a plate. This is a plate. What is this? What is this? This is a plate. This is a plate. Toaster. This is a toaster. This is a toaster. What is this? What is this? This is a toaster. This is a toaster. Fan. This is a pen. This is a pen. What is this? What is this? This is a pen. This is a pen. Fridge fridge. This is a fridge fridge. This is a fridge fridge. What is this? What is this? This is a fridge fridge. This is a fridge fridge. Table. This is a table. This is a table. What is this? What is this? This is a table. This is a table. Kettle. This is a kettle. This is a kettle. What is this? What is this? This is a kettle. This is a kettle. Saucepan. This is a saucepan. This is a saucepan. What is this? What is this? This is a saucepan. This is a saucepan. Bowl. This is a bowl. This is a bowl. What is this? What is this? This is a bowl. This is a bowl. Cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. What is this? What is this? This is a cup. This is a cup. For more update, subscribe to our channel Cambly Blogging. Start your conversation with me and vocabularies. If you have any curious vocabularies, name of the kitchen, please mention in comment section below. Keep it watching.